Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of Magento 2 geolocation currency converter. And using this extension, you'll be able to convert the price of the products in runtime on your store according to the geographical location where the store site is actually accessed. For example, if you have products priced according to the US dollars and your store site is accessed from London, then the product price will be automatically converted to Great Britain pounds or the pound sterling. So let's go ahead and let's see how this extension works. But before that, we'll be going to the admin backend panel and we'll be checking the admin configuration settings for this extension. So for that, I'll be going to the admin backend, and after that we'll be showing you how this extension really converts the price of the products according to the region from where the customer is accessing your site. So for that, we'll be going to the front end. But before that, let's go to the admin backend and first check the admin backend configuration for the extension. So here I am in the admin backend panel right now. So I need to navigate to stores, configuration, and on the configuration page on the left hand side under the web tool block, you can see the geolocation currency converter option is there. You just need to click that up to bring up the options for this extension. And here we have two options. The very first option that we have is to enable or disable this extension for use. So if you have selected yes, then the extension would be converting the price according to the region from where the site is being accessed. Else, if you select this option as no, then the extension won't be working and it would be displaying the price as you have set from the admin backend for your products. Now the other option that we have, it's a button basically. Now this button is for importing the rates, the current rates. So you just need to click that up to import the rates as per your requirement, and after that you can click the save configuration button to save the configuration settings for this extension. So that was all about the configuration setting of this extension. So let's go to the front end, and after that we'll be showing you how the price converter converts the price of the product, so according to the geolocation of the user. So for that, we'll be going to the front end. Here I am on the front end now, and here I am right now on the category page, and you can see the actual price of the product is in dollars and it was $49. And as I'm accessing this website from India right now, so according to my geolocation, this extension has converted the price of this product according to my currency, that is in Indian rupees, and it's showing the price accordingly. So that was the category page that I showed you. Now let me show you the product page as well. The same is visible on the product page as well. And here on the product page, you can see we are still able to see the converted price for this product on the product page right now. So that was the product page. After that, let's go to the cart page. So I'll just add this product into the cart, and I'll just go to the cart and I'll click the view and edit cart button, and this would bring up the shopping cart. And here on the right hand side under the summary section, you'll be able to check the price for your current region and the total, because I've added two products, so that's why it's showing $94 right now. So that was on the cart page. Now let's go to the checkout page and let's see if it displays the same at the checkout page as well, whether the currency is being reflected according to the geolocation of the customer. So here alright, so here after selecting my shipping method, I'll be selecting my slot and I'll be clicking the next button, and I'll just select OK. Alright, here you can see under the order summary section, the order total is being shown and the converted price for my region is being shown. That's 6,686 rupees and 47 paisa is being shown up. So that was for the checkout page. We can also check the price conversion on the search page as well. So let me go ahead and let me search the product for you on the search page. Just give me a minute. Let me go back to the home page first. I'll be going to the home page first. Okay, so I'll just paste the name of the product and I'll just try to search that up. Alright, so let me search this product and let the result get populated first. Alright, on the search page as well, we are on the search result page, and here we can see the converted price is being shown on this page as well. And one more page is there, that's the wish list page. So for that I'll be going to my account section and I'll go to my wish list. Here on the left hand side you can see my wish list, and I have a product within my wish list, and you can see it is also showing the same converted price for my current region for the current selection of the product there. And what we can do is we can also go to the compare product page as well, and on that page as well I'll show you that this extension is working. But before that I'll be adding one more product to my compare product section. For that, let me add a product first. So I'll just go to the product page of this yoga pen, and I'll just add it to compare. And alright, and let me go to the compare products page now. Alright, here we are on the compare product page right now, and you can see the converted price is being displayed here as well. So that was all about this extension. It converts the price of the product in runtime on your store according to the geographical location wherever the store site is accessed from. And one more thing is there that the admin just needs to run a cron command. We have like the default cron is scheduled to update the currency rates in every 1 hour. So by running the cron command, the currency rates would be updated automatically without the use of the import button in the configuration settings of this extension. So if you don't want to import the price rates manually, you can click the you can make use of the cron command, and you can run that command so that it updates the currency rates in every hour. That way you won't need to manually update your currency rates by going to the admin backend each time. So that was all about the Magento 2 geolocation currency converter extension, and hope it helped you out. So if you have any queries or questions regarding this extension, then you can always get back to us at support@webcool.com, or you may raise a ticket at webcool.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day ahead.